Shocking breakup of South Indian stars. Samantha Ruth Prabhu and Siddharth. This South Indian actress fell in love with her co-star Siddharth on the sets of their movie and they looked adorable together. They were in a live-in relationship too, but after dating each other for few years, they parted ways. Rashmika Mandanna and Rakshit Shetty. Dear comrade actress Rashmika Mandanna met actor Rakshit Shetty on the sets of the film Kirik Party and they got engaged in 2017. But soon after their engagement took place, differences between them started and they called off their engagement, which was quite shocking. Pawan Kalyan and Renu Desai. Pawan Kalyan was in a live-in relationship with his love of life Renu Desai and they got married in 2009. But sadly, the rift between these two lovebirds started during 2011 and their divorce was granted in the year 2012. Trisha Krishnan and Varun Manian. One of the most anticipated marriage from the Kollywood industry was Trisha and Varun's marriage and they got engaged in 2015. But all the hype went into vain as Trisha herself called off the engagement because they were not compatible for each other. Akhil Akineni and Shriya Bhopal. Nagarjuna Akineni's younger son got engaged with Shriya Bhopal in the year 2016 after dating each other for 1 year. But soon after their engagement, the South Indian star called off the engagement for undisclosed reason and it broke his fans' heart. Shruti Hassan and Michael Korsel. This popular South Indian actress dated her Italian boyfriend Michael Korsel for several years and they were quite public about it. But shockingly, these two separated their ways because of the differences they were facing in the relationship. Nayanthara and Prabhudeva. After separating from his wife, Prabhudeva dated Nayanthara for several years and they were in a live-in relationship too. But soon rift started between them and sadly these two stars also parted their ways. Kamal Haasan and Sarika. After divorcing his first wife, South Indian superstar Kamal Haasan got married with actress Sarika in the year 1998. But due to several conflicts with each other, these two stars separated their ways in their year 2004. Prabhudeva and Ramlatha. One of the greatest dancers of the industry, Prabhudeva got married in the year 1995 with Ramlatha, who is also a dancer. But because of Prabhudeva's extramarital affair, his wife decided to divorce him and they got separated in 2011. Saundarya Rajnikant and Ashwin Ramkumar. Superstar Rajnikant's daughter, Saundarya got married with industrialist Ashwin Rajkumar in 2010, but it ended sadly in 2017. Pawan Kalyan and Nandini. South Indian star Pawan Kalyan got married with his first wife Nandini in the year 1997 and it was an arranged marriage. But soon feud started between the couple and because of Pawan Kalyan's affair, they got divorced in the year 2008. Revati and Suresh Chandra Menon. Popular South Indian actress Revati got married in the year 1986 with actor Suresh Chandra Menon and they were quite happy couple. But the problems in their marriage started to happen after 15 years. These two stars decided to mutually separate their ways in 2013. Amala Paul and A.L. Vijay. Stunning and beautiful actress Amala Paul and director A.L. Vijay fell in love and got married in the year 2014. Later, these two stars ended their marriage with just 3 years of marriage in 2017 for several reasons. Which jodi was your favorite among all these couples? Do let us know in the comment section.